Now, after close examinations of witnesses and evidence produced before Naivasha law courts over 5 years on Solai Dam tragedy, the court has finally made a ruling that the 9 accused have a case to answer over manslaughter among other charges. Our reporter Willie Dennis Njiru with the story.
Thursday morning at the Naivasha law courts, tens of Patel Dam victims in Solai, Nakuru County converge at the Naivasha law courts awaiting landmark ruling that was to determine the direction of the case.
In my humble view, it would be inadvisable for me to give reasons for holding that the accused persons have a case to answer at this point. Of course, the reasons are obvious. I therefore make a finding in totality that all the accused persons have a case to answer. They are placed on their defense on all the counts they are charged with.
Chief Magistrate Shiundu Luta ruled that the 9 accused charged with the death of 48 people after Solai Dam burst its banks 5 years ago have a case to answer.
A total of 36 witnesses were called by the prosecution in support of the case, and also the prosecution also produced documentary evidence. The issue for determination at this point is whether the accused persons have a case to answer or otherwise. I've considered the submissions made by the prosecution, counsel for the victims, and all the authorities cited in this matter.
The case was moved to Naivasha from Nakuru courts, at one time moved to Narok as a matter of public interest, also precipitated by the Naivasha High Court, was long on recess for 45 days.
Totality, when we look at the position taken by the defense, do we think 2 days would be sufficient or we need a week?
Senior Assistant Director of Public Prosecution Alexander Muteti, standing in for the victims and the defense, unanimously placed 11th May as commencement for the allocation of days for the hearing of the case before final determination.
I've had an opportunity to read the provisions of Section 306, subsection 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Provides when the evidence of the witnesses for the prosecution has been concluded, the court, if it considers that there is no evidence that the accused or anyone of several of them committed the offense, shall, after hearing, if necessary, any argument which the advocate for the prosecution or the defense may desire to submit.
In the case, the owner of the farm, Perry Mansukhlal, and 8 others are charged with 48 counts of manslaughter.
To confirm that...
Reporting for TV 47 from Naivasha in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njiru.
Meanwhile,